we gotta do one thing, and that is hammer that like button. Alright, now that we got that taken care of, did you do it? Where is the handyman? He hasn't been around in over a week. I don't know what to do with myself. I just need someone to yell at in the comment section. I sent him a message. You can do that on this thing called Instagram. And he said he'd be back in a week or so. I said, well, where the heck are you? I'm lost without you. He said, go clean my workshop. Well, shoot. I will go clean the handyman's workshop. I look around. This place is a pigsty. How do you work like this? You can't even walk in here. I don't know what this is. He says he's on some top secret project. Some firewood that needs to be cut. Woo! He likes to burn firewood in his homemade death trap wood stove thing. He's gonna burn this place down. I'm going to show you the proper way to use one of these things. Just go in there and fire this baby up, cut this stuff up, and he wants me to stack it over here. It's cold as a witch's. Come on over to the workbench. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn on. You know where to plug it in. I don't know if it's got a battery. Uh-oh. Alrighty. What's this thing do? Alright, we got some switches. This thing here looks like, oh, that did something. Well, I'm going to keep working here, give the old handyman a helping hand. Now, he said he will be back tomorrow morning with a very informative video on estimating home improvement projects. Says he's got a secret weapon that a lot of people have been asking for. I don't know what the hell it is, but I'm tuning in. Be there. Yeah. Why don't you guys tune in tomorrow too? And tell me what you think. What do you call these things? I need to get myself one of these bad boys.